Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today we just did a Bak Flip MX4 on a 1990 GMC Sierra. Now this is a beautiful classic truck, and this cover really does it justice. I really love how it looks. And of course, it does fit the truck very nicely. And the main thing is it's very functional. So let's see if I can do this while I'm holding the phone here. So, okay. So I open up the tailgate there. Now you do have a left and right. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, as you can see, I can open up from either the driver's side or the passenger side with no problem whatsoever. And let's see. Fold it over here a few more times. Now, if you want to drive with this open, you can. So you come around here, if you look, there is a nice little thing here. Basically, you have to adjust those here, but that locks right in there. And you can drive with the cover open. Don't worry about the wind catching it and closing it for you. As you can see, plenty of room. But if that's not enough room, well, guess what? What's nice about this cover, go ahead and put that back in there and lift this all the way up. There we go. This has an additional third fold. That's right. You got that big motorcycle, all-terrain vehicle, or something just big, you know, you're moving a couch, whatever it is, you can easily put that in there. Now this does have a drainage system. If you notice, I did not put the drainage tubes in there because it's a classic truck, and the customer asked me no drilling. He's going to go ahead and do those himself, which I totally understand. So those are just hanging there. Normally I would put those in. And you can see you got a nice little setup. You can drive with it open. You do have to put the little support system in there, so which basically is going to go right in here. Let's slide that little fella up. Goes like that. That slides down. You lock it in place. Obviously, you would do both sides. If you notice, the third brake light is not covered here, and you can put all kinds of things in here. Now let's go ahead and push that up. Now I usually leave in the up position. Occasionally, some people will call me up and say it doesn't fit because they left in a lower position. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this up here. You can hear the little clicking noises, lets you know it's locking in there. So, and the last part is the tailgate here. So, as you can, there we go, locked in place very nicely. Let's step back here and take another leg. I'm gonna go ahead and close that tailgate. Again, being a nice, classic, beautiful truck, do it nice and slow. You don't want to accidentally damage anything. A very good looking truck. I'll kind of scroll around here so you can get a better look at everything we've done here. Okay, I'll step back so we can see the whole truck. Now, if you like what you see today, please like our video. And of course, we really like when you subscribe to our channel. Now, if you like this Bak Flip MX4 and you would like to get one, well, you can either order it over the phone, come in our store and have us install it for you. Either way, we'll take good care of you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you and have a great day.